Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best impact drivers that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Makita XT14T. Makita produce a huge amount of well-respected tools, and this is the best Makita impact driver we've come across, with a huge amount of features. It is sold as a kit, with a charger, batteries and a chuck for changing bits with ease. The XT14T has an incredible 1,550 pounds of torque and is one of the most precise and powerful options on the market. All of this without weighing a huge amount, which is often the trade-off if you are looking for a powerful driver. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita XT15ZB. Makita offer a lot of different options in this particular market, and this stakes a claim of being the best brushless impact driver, meaning it has a brushless motor. The XT15ZB is designed to be ultra compact. It is both lightweight and pretty small, which means you can store it easily, but more importantly it means that this is a lightweight and simple to use impact driver. The dimensions and weight might make you think that this is not going to have the power you need, but actually, this still offers impressive IPM and variable speeds to suit your needs. At number 3, we have the BLACKDECKER 20V drill driver impact combo kit. Whether you're after a budget-friendly impact driver or a cordless drill under $100, BLACKDECKER have some of the best options to suit any budget. This model from BLACKDECKER is available at an exceptional price, especially when you consider the fact that it ships as both a drill and an impact driver in a kit, all for a cost that is reasonable. Though this may not be quite as feature-packed as some of its competitors, it has plenty to offer on a budget, and the power stands up as exceptional in the market for the best drill impact driver combo. At number 2, we have the Bosch CLPK27-120. Bosch needs no introduction as a brand which produces tools, and this is arguably the best 12V impact driver on the market. It is sold as a kit which includes a drill and an impact driver, both of which give a lot of quality and value when you consider the fact that both are sold at one reasonable price. This is an incredibly compact driver. The PS41 has a head that is over 5 inches but still manages to weigh in at less than 2 pounds. It also has 20 different clutch settings between 350 RPM and 2600 RPM, so you get a huge amount of controls to alter the torque and the speed for the best control over your driving. The 930 in lbs torque is impressive too. And finally at number 1, we have the Hitachi WH18DGL. The Hitachi WH18DGL combines the features of many of the other products to make our list. It has an RPM, IPM, weight and other features that are very similar to the competitors, but there is one specific area where the Hitachi wins out: warranty. For a manufacturer of any sort of tool to be able to offer a lifetime warranty shows exactly how much thought has gone into the design, and how much faith they have that this is a product which has been built to last. Naturally, the battery does not have a lifetime warranty, but this is still guaranteed for 2 years, which is certainly not a negative.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.